Hi, this is Zusna from Dream Street Training Academy, Kuwait. So we have a special guest here, Dr. Abhidam, who is a certified phonics trainer. Hi, ma'am.
Hi,
How are you?
fine.
So may I know how long you have been to Kuwait?
I'm living from 3 years.
Okay, so may I know for the past 3 years, how was your life in Kuwait?
It is good.
May I get you wanted to career aspect?
I started my career as a teacher. I was surrounded by a lot of students who were struggling to read the alphabet and blend the alphabet. So I thought to teach them as Udis. So in phonics we have many levels. If we are going level wise, they will easily understand the letter and sum, and so they can read it.
Okay, so we are just curious to know what is phonics?
Phonics is like sounds and the letter connection. Initially, we used to teach only letters. Now we are teaching phonics with letter and sound, so that child will recognize sound easily. So when you are telling any letter, they should recognize that sound, so they can pronounce it and they can blend and form a word and they can speak that word easily.
Okay. So could you please give us an example, how this blending or how the words are connected with the sounds?
Okay, like back. Okay, so we were learning like BAT, but with phonics we are teaching them B is ba, A is at, T is ta. So they can blend and mix the word and they can pronounce easily like ba, a, t, bat.
Okay, understood. So it's you're teaching sounds plus
Yes.
so you mentioned about some levels as well, right?
Yes.
So what are the levels?
We are not going alphabet wise like A, B, C, D. We are having sub levels in phonics. So according to that, if we are teaching, they will grab easily because some sounds are very easy to teach, like S, S. Like that we are knowing.
Okay. So ma'am, while you were learning phonics, did you face any troubles while you were learning?
I also face many difficulties while learning phonics. Like making sound is difficult, but once you grab that, it will be easy.
So ma'am, so we would like to know what are the career opportunities that is impaired with phonics? Is it only for teachers who can have this phonics, or who else can learn this?
Anybody can learn phonics. As a housewife, if you are learning, you can teach your kids or you can give tuitions also as a part-time job you can do. Teachers, if they are learning, they will get more knowledge about, so they can teach more easily to their students.
Okay, so may I know what will be the duration? How long a person will take to learn this phonics?
For kids, it will take around 6 months. For teachers, if they already know, only like 10 to 15 days are enough to grab that knowledge. For housewife, if they want to speak English or if they want to learn English, then they can take phonics classes around 6 months. So they will get to know about English, so they can speak easily, they can write, and they can teach to their kids also.
So most of our audience are struggling to speak English. So ma'am, can I get to know if a person who is not at all knowing how to speak English, will this phonics be useful for them?
Yes, it will be useful, but it will take some extra months, but it will be useful. They can learn and they can talk in English after taking phonics course.
So it was great talking with you, ma'am, and thank you for sharing your ideas. We got to know what is phonics all about. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So hope all of you got an idea about what is phonics, what are the requirements to get the phonics classes, who can learn phonics and the duration. So here we in Dreamstreet is providing phonics classes for both kids and adults. So as a part of Hala February, we are having special discounts as well. So if you have any queries, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.